Hello and Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I really hope and pray that you all in best of your health while watching this video. In today's video, we'll explore some beautiful amazing designs and arrangements for dry flowers which involve using dry flowers and foliage to create aesthetically pleasing display. Here is a stepwise guide on creating a dry flower arrangement. You can choose flowers and foliage that dry well and retain their shape and colors when they are dried. Popular choices include roses, lavender, eucalyptus, baby breath, and hydrangeas. Start by arranging the larger flowers or focal flowers in the center of the container and arrange the smaller flowers and foliage around them to create a balanced and visually appealing composition. Keep the arrangement away from humidity and moisture as this can cause the dried flowers to deteriorate. Gently dust the arrangement occasionally to maintain its appearance. Place your flower arrangements in a suitable location where it can admire, avoid exposing it to direct sunlight as this can cause the color to fade over time. Remember to let your creativity guide you as you arrange the dried flowers and experiment with different combinations and styles. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section on which topic you want me to make a video related to home decor. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.